Hello, Repo Gadgets here again. This is lasagna this time. It's just hamburger in there sizzling. I haven't added any spices yet. This is just table salt. I'll show you what else I got. Some black pepper. A little bit of garlic salt. I need. Where did you go? Oh, there you go. Italian seasoning. Don't forget it. I don't use oregano because oregano leaves an aftertaste, as many chefs know. Oregano is off limits. Instantly turns tomatoes into vinegar. Nasty, nasty, foul taste that can linger for days. Not hours, days. You gotta be real careful with this recipe because too much of anything can actually ruin it. This one actually took me a while to learn. I love lasagna. Usually, as soon as I put it in my mouth, I know how to make it. Lasagna was my hardest. And I got my noodles done. The main thing is the sauce. You gotta be real careful with it. I don't know how to stress it anymore. You add too much, too many items to it, it will turn bad on you. The way I make it go home and smack your mama. Or dig your ass up and then slap her, whatever the case may be. Just regular old tomato sauce. Okay, tomato sauce. Add a little bit of water to that, not too much. Okay, here's where it gets a little tricky. Spicy spice. Oh, there you are. Yes, thick and zesty spaghetti. I use very little of this, maybe a tenth of a teaspoon. That's just to break down the sugar out of the tomato. Basically, this is just a sloppy Joe mix. Nothing fancy. It's just, you gotta watch it, be careful. Don't add too much salt, don't add too many ingredients to it. I'm going to be dumping sliced black olives in it, of course. Even though it's, as a dietitian and a food guy, everything in my body says, no, leave the olives alone. But I like olives. I don't care if my mind goes to shit. Now, you don't have to cook this for too long. Let it simmer or whatever. You just want it enough to so the meat soaks up the flavors. And adding onions and bell pepper, just chopped up. Oh, yeah. Little yellow specks of cheese. I got it all on one cutting board. I usually soften up the bell peppers and the onions, but since this is going in the oven for quite some time, I'm saying 45 minutes, they'll soften up in the oven, so I don't have to fry them up. But you can if you want to. If you like fried onions or fried bell peppers, go for it. Changes the flavor though, so you gotta be careful if you fry them. You gotta minus other ingredients. End up with nasty. Oh, aluminum foil, always shiny side up. Always. No matter what you're doing, always put the food on the shiny side. Just a little kitchen help there. Well, basically right now all I'm doing is warming this up. I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it, because I know my taste buds are shot to shit. Change utensils. Spoonage. Oh, that's not spoonage. Clean spoonage. Okay. My noodles, they're partially done. I almost made a chef's mistake. I always put a little bit of the mix on the bottom of the pan. You'll thank me later, and if you know how to cook, you know why I'm doing this. Just a little bit. You don't have to, bury the bottom. Just a little bit. Keeps your noodles burning to the bottom of the pan. And yes, I'm actually dipping my hands in hot water, grabbing noodles. Why? Because I can. I've been cooking so long it don't bother me as much as it would everybody else. overdo the bottom layer. Basically want to just flavor it, so to speak. And you don't want to do too much cheese either. I'm just using basic store-bought, store-brand, mild cheddar. I don't want to overdo the bottom layer, ever. Ouch. It's cold. Boiling water is very cold. Be careful. Alright. Here's where you can just pile it on, shake away. If you think you need another more than this, you can actually throw another can of tomato sauce on it. It wouldn't hurt none. You won't lose any flavor, that's for sure. Oh, yeah. And that's some mozzarella, store brand, of course. There's no sense in buying the expensive kind. It's ridiculous. Noodles. This. And see what I mean by, if you need another can, grab one. It won't hurt nothing. It'll all taste good anyway. Alright, where was it? Oh, olives. Okay, here's the time for the black olives. Don't dump it on there. Don't be a pussy. Get your hands dirty. That's what soap and water is for. You can always wash your hands. Alright. Lids again. Oh, got a new lid. That's alright. I don't think anybody cares. See what I mean by, oops, if accidents happen, I'm gonna let them fly. I don't care. So I have to add another can of tomato sauce, just a little can, and a bitty can. I gotta use a PP or a 38 because I don't know what the hell's wrong with these cans. They will not open with a can opener. This I got on sale, so I'm going to just throw it up on top of it. Taco brand, store brand, since little things. Man, whoops. See, all my accidents are left on freaking video. I'm not going to edit nothing. It might look unorthodox, crazy, until you put it in your mouth. You don't know yet. So, this is going into the oven, and I'm going to go sit on my ass for a little bit and eat later. So, that's me.